What if historic clock tower maintenance records became part of UK credit scoring algorithms? Suddenly, bell ringing consistency and timekeeping accuracy would directly boost your credit score. Clock tower engineers with perfect maintenance records would qualify for premium mortgages overnight. Meanwhile, digital workers with flawless payment histories would face credit penalties for lacking mechanical timekeeping experience. Mortgage lenders would start requiring bell-ringing certificates and clockwork training. Rental agencies would demand proof of historical preservation experience and precision timing skills. Adult campanology courses would emerge, offering credit improvement through bell tower maintenance certification. Electoral roll registration would become tied to parish church addresses and heritage society memberships. Credit builder cards would need to accommodate seasonal tower maintenance contracts and heritage grant funding cycles. Ancient skills would suddenly determine modern financial futures.